Hey guys, here is your test and quiz review for Unit 5. Okay, I'll probably be only doing the odds, but still I'll get these done for you. Okay, so number 1, we're going to write a parabola equation given these points. I went ahead and graphed it. Ooh. I don't know if I can get it any further up, but here's my directrix and here's my focus. What you're going to do is count from your focus all the way to your dotted line, which is going to be 18. You're going to have 18, which is 9, and you're going to go up 9 and put me right there. I'm going to go ahead and get my shell ready. Okay, we already know the distance is 9. So remember, your graph is going to go towards the focus, because the focus is always inside the graph. Okay, it is going down, so it is going to be negative, and down is x squared. So my ordered pair here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6, 1. And remember, when you plug it in here, you change your signs. Okay. Remember, if it goes left or right, it is a y squared equation. Okay, so number 3, we got to find the area. There's 2 ways of finding area. Side, side, side. We only have 2 of those. Or side, angle, side. I'm missing that angle. Okay. Now, I'm going to be honest. I like the side, angle, side one better. So here we have all of a letter, because this is going to be little s. This is little r and little t. Okay. So let me move this here. So for number 3, we know all of s, so that's going to be 14 over sine of 123. And I only can find a big R. I don't have enough to find any of the t's. Cross multiply. So 9 sine 123 equals 14 sine R. Divide by 14. Okay, that cancels, and we're going to get sine by itself. Get R by itself. So we're going to take the inverse sine of 9 sine 123 over 14, and this is my R value. Okay. So 9 sine 123 divided by 14. And I get 32.6. So big R is 32.6. And like I said earlier, I was looking at doing side, angle, side. So I was looking at that. So I need to figure out big T. Well, if I know 2 angles, now all I have to do is do 180 minus 123 minus 32.6. So 180 minus 123 minus 32.6, I get 24.4. And that's 24.4. So area will be 1/2 times 9 times 14 sine of 24.4. So, and I get 26. Okay. Now, here we're going to do x1, y1, x2, y2. So first things first, we have to get these. We have too many ordered pairs going on. So we're going to use this formula. Okay, I'm going to put this on another page. Okay, number 5. So my PQ1 is going to be -4 minus 2 and 10 minus a -4. And that comes out to be -6 and 14. And now I got to do the same thing for R and S. So 2 minus 8 and 0 minus a -4. So that becomes -6 and 4. Okay, so we're not done. Now we have to answer this question. So what I'm going to do is multiply this by -5 and this by -5. And so that's going to become 30 and -70, 30 and -20. Now, if you're asking why am I doing the -5 on both, I always drop my negative. So what I'm going to do is that. So I'm always adding at this next point. So I get 60 and -90. Okay, and we're done. Okay, number 7. Okay, so what we have here is completing the square. So when I write this on my paper, I'm going to go ahead and collect my x's and my y's. Whoops, that's number 7. So -9x squared minus 36x plus 16y squared minus 256y equals 308. I can't have any number in front of x squared, so we're going to divide it by -9, and we're going to pull it out right here. Leave yourself a little space, and we're going to do the same thing with 16. So 308 minus 9 times something, and then plus 16 times something. Okay. So take your 4, divide it by 2. When you get 2, you're going to square it. And you get 4. So we put 4 here and 4 there. Repeat with the -16. So we get -8 squared and 64. Okay, the next step I like to call collecting my squares. So we've got to bring that -9 down. So you see how this has a square and this has a square? We're going to put them in the same equation, parentheses, sorry, and put that square on the outside. We're going to do the same thing with that 16. So we have a y squared and a -8 squared. So y minus 8 squared. And we're going to do all of this math here, and that's going to equal 1296. I can't have 1296, so we're going to divide by 1296. Remember, we have to have it equal 1. Okay. Divide by 9. And I get negative x plus 2 squared over 144. Divide this by 16. Okay. That was Noah. Hi, Noah. Hi, plus y minus 8 squared over, this comes out to be 81 equals 1. And then last but not least, we need that minus in the middle. So we're going to pick up these two fractions and flip-flop them. So we get y minus 8 squared over 81 minus x plus 2 squared over 144 equals 1. Okay. I will see you in the next video.